Hello decorators! Today, we're diving into a fantastic eco-friendly practice, reusing old tires in our garden spaces. These rubber wonders can do so much more than just hit the road. They're a treasure trove of possibilities waiting to spruce up your outdoor paradise. Why should you consider reusing tires for your garden? Well, let me tell you, there's a whole bunch of reasons. Tires take centuries to decompose, so by repurposing them, we're preventing them from ending up in landfills, reducing our environmental impact. Tires are usually inexpensive or even free. Upcycling them saves money that you might otherwise spend on costly garden decorations or planters. Tires are incredibly versatile. They can be used in various ways to suit different garden styles and spaces. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of tire upcycling for your garden. Here are some super cool ideas. Cut tires horizontally or vertically to create planters. Paint them with vibrant colors to add an artistic touch. They're perfect for flowers, herbs, or even small trees. Who doesn't love a good old tire swing? Hang it from a sturdy tree branch and watch the kids, or the kid in you, have a blast. Stack tires to create a decorative staircase or a small seating area. Fill them with soil and plant some cascading flowers or succulents for a stunning effect. Dig a hole, partially bury a tire, line it with a pond liner, and voila, a mini pond. Add some aquatic plants and maybe a small fountain for a serene oasis. Get artsy. Paint tires and stack them to create sculptures or garden art. It's a fantastic way to express your creativity. Cut tires into sections and use them as edging for garden beds. They provide a unique and durable border while keeping the soil in place. Now, let's talk about why decorating your garden with tires is a brilliant idea. Tires are built to last. They can withstand harsh weather conditions, making them ideal for outdoor use. From paint to placement, tires offer endless customization options. You can match them to your garden's theme or color scheme. Once set up, tires require minimal maintenance. Just a little occasional cleaning, and they're good to go for years. Repurposing tires encourages creativity and adds a playful element to your garden design. Safety first, always. Here are some essential tips when using tires in your garden. Scrub the tires to remove any dirt or residue before using them in your garden to prevent contamination. Ensure the tires you're using weren't previously used to store chemicals or hazardous materials. When using tires as planters, create drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and root rot. If using tires for a play area, check for sharp edges and secure the tire swing properly for safety. Get crafty and transform tires into unique furniture pieces like ottomans, tables, or stools. Stack and secure them, then add cushions or a wooden top for an eye-catching addition to your outdoor seating area. Stack tires of different sizes to create vertical planters or towers. Fill them with soil and plant cascading flowers or vines for a stunning vertical garden effect. Use individual tire segments as separate planters for growing various herbs. Label each tire with the herb's name for a functional and attractive herb garden. Build a more elaborate tire playground with multiple swings, climbing walls, or obstacle courses. It's a fantastic DIY project for the family. Opt for tires that are not too worn out or damaged. They should be structurally sound for your intended use in the garden. Ensure proper drainage for tire planters by drilling holes in the bottom to prevent waterlogging. If painting tires, select non-toxic, outdoor-grade paint that won't leach harmful chemicals into the soil. To promote even growth, rotate tire planters occasionally to ensure all sides of the plants receive sunlight. Different tire sizes can add depth and dimension to your garden design. Experiment with various sizes to create visual interest. Inspect tire structures regularly, especially if they're used for seating or play areas, to ensure they remain safe and stable. Remember, the key to a successful tire garden is creativity and safety. Embrace your imagination, but always prioritize safety measures when repurposing tires for your garden projects. Tire upcycling isn't just a trend, it's a sustainable way to breathe life into your garden while reducing waste. It's incredible how something as simple as an old tire can be transformed into a beautiful and functional garden feature. So, grab those old tires lying around and let your imagination run wild. Whether you're into DIY projects, want to add a touch of whimsy, or seek innovative solutions for your garden, reusing tires is a fantastic way to do it all. Regularly inspect tire planters and areas in the garden made with tires to remove weeds and debris. This helps maintain a clean and healthy environment for your plants. Consider using organic fertilizers to nourish plants in tire planters. Organic options promote healthier growth without harmful chemicals. Apply mulch around tire planters to retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and prevent weed growth. Mulching also enhances the aesthetics of your garden. Adapt your tire garden to different seasons. Swap out plants according to seasonal changes for a fresh and vibrant look year-round. Experiment with paint colors that complement your garden's overall theme. Earthy tones or bright hues can enhance the visual appeal. Mix and match tire sizes to create layers or stacked arrangements, adding depth and dimension to your garden design. Strategically place tires in groups or clusters to create focal points or define different areas in your garden. Incorporate other garden elements like stones, driftwood, or decorative pebbles around tire structures to add more character. Consider applying a protective sealant to painted tires to prolong their lifespan and protect them from weather damage. Keep an eye out for tire wear and tear. Replace tires that show signs of significant deterioration to maintain safety and functionality. As your tire garden evolves, consider integrating other recycled materials or repurposed items for a unique and eclectic garden style. Lastly, share your tire garden journey with friends, family, and your local community. Host workshops, share your DIY processes, or even start a community project to inspire others to embrace sustainable gardening practices. Remember, your tire garden is a canvas for creativity and sustainability. It's a testament to your commitment to making a positive impact on the environment while beautifying your outdoor space. There you have it, decorators, a myriad of ways to repurpose old tires and breathe new life into your garden space. It's eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and incredibly fun. So, next time you're thinking of tossing those old tires away, think twice and give them a new purpose in your garden haven. I hope these additional tips and ideas have sparked even more inspiration for your tire garden adventures. Don't forget to spread the joy of sustainable gardening and tire upcycling. Together, let's create vibrant, eco-friendly, and enchanting garden spaces. Until next time, keep planting, keep innovating, and keep nurturing your green spaces. Happy gardening!